You may be trading too much. One of the ideas we're exploring at the Simulated Trader is something we call inventory management. And the premise is pretty simple. Once you enter a position, you own inventory. From that point forward, your job isn't necessarily to find another trade. Your job is to manage the inventory you already have. That sounds obvious, but think about how most of us learn to trade. We're constantly looking for the next setup, the next breakout, the next pullback, the next entry, the next opportunity. And somewhere along the way, activity starts to feel like productivity. But what if you're already holding a perfectly good piece of inventory? What if the market hasn't invalidated your thesis? What if your position simply needs time? Do you really need another trade? That's the question we're interested in at TST. Because every time you add another position, you're not just adding another opportunity, you're adding another decision, another piece of risk, another variable to monitor, another opportunity for emotion to enter the process. And eventually you can reach a point where you're no longer managing the market, you're managing the mess you created. Inventory management asks us to think differently. What do I currently own? Why do I own it? Has anything materially changed since I entered? How much risk am I carrying? And most importantly, do I actually need another position? There are absolutely times when adding inventory makes sense. There are times when reducing inventory makes sense, and there are times when the best decision may simply be to do nothing. That's something simulated trading gives us the freedom to investigate. Not just, can I find a profitable strategy, but, well, how much trading do I actually need to do? Because maybe becoming a better trader isn't about finding more opportunities. Maybe it's about becoming better at managing the opportunities we've already found. That's inventory management, and that's something we're actively investigating at the Simulated Trader.